So you have a 98 Freightliner Century 120 and your marker light switch decided I'm out of here and stopped working. And you said, that's okay, I'm gonna find a new one on eBay. And you come home, you type in Century 120 marker light switch and you find nothing. You go to Amazon and you find nothing. You finally start to Google it and you find nothing. Well, what to do? Well, you need a part number. And this is the part number. Do you see it? No? Oh, it's your problem. Get yourself a pair of glasses. Just kidding. Here it is. These are all zeros in case you're wondering. And this is the marker light switch. And this is what it looks like on every side. Okay. So once you type in this part number on eBay, you should be able to find some, or you can also go to your Freightliner dealer and give this number to them, and it should cost you about $30 or so. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching.